Hey everyone, this is a Suzuki SX4 2011 and we've had a lot of trouble with the starter, but we did manage to get it out. So this is the reverse procedure. We're going to install it. We're going to show you where two screws are. They're quite different and much harder to get, at least for the second one. So here's bolt number one. We had to remove the battery, the air box, and part of it. And this is a 14mm screw. And this one is easy. The other one we'll show you in a little bit how to undo and do the opposite side screw. Again, different from pre-2010 models. So the second screw is actually located right here. You see the back of it right there. This is the tapped hole right behind it. So the screw is opposite to it. The screw head, the bolt head, sorry, is on the other side there, inside, right underneath the intake manifold. Okay, so we have an extension right through without the wheel, of course, and I'm going to use a 1/2-inch ratchet because the 3/8 ratchet was too weak, so this is just mainly to screw it back in. So, but of course the reverse was much more difficult, and I'll show you the stack up of the extension after I'm done tightening this one.
Let me use the swivel head.
Yes, so this is what was used to remove that feisty bolt. Swivel head, or else it doesn't align properly and you can strip the bolt head. 2-foot extension, a little 3-inch one, and a 3/8 to 1/2-inch adapter. I had to use this massive breaker bar to break free that bolt. This ratchet was not enough, and I weigh 200 pounds and I put all my weight on it. It wasn't enough, so I needed to use this. I was very worried that the 3/8 swivel would break, so maybe if you do have 1/2-inch extensions it would be better. It's just this is what I had. Yeah. There you go.